Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Good to Great Cooking channel. I'm Lisa, your host, and I am so excited that you join me today. Today, I'm going to be sharing a kitchen helper. Let me explain to you what I mean when I say kitchen helper. For the most part, I am a from scratch cook. I like to start from the very beginning with just raw ingredients and create a finished product. However, there are some times when I need a little help in the kitchen. So I need to speed up the process, take some of the work out of it for myself so that I can get a meal on the table quickly. This happened a lot when my daughter was little. She was very busy. She was dancing. She had theater at school. Sometimes she was on sports teams and just all those things involved with being a single mother of a busy teenage child. So there were some times where I had to take a little bit of help from some companies or food manufacturers. So the kitchen helpers that I like to use are the ones that maybe take some of the prep work out of doing your cooking, like things like what are they called? HelloFresh or Blue Apron, I think was one of them at one time. Also, things that just help you get started, like seasoning blends or a soup starter or an ice cream starter, something like that. So that is what I mean when I say kitchen helper. Several of the videos on this channel are going to highlight some of my favorite kitchen helpers. Whenever I highlight a kitchen helper, I will always talk to you about where you can purchase that one so that if you want to use it, you certainly can, because I encourage you to do it. I always kind of vet out my kitchen helpers to make sure that there's not a lot of like a ton of chemicals and unnatural things in there. I really just need a little help getting the food on the table quickly, but I don't want to add a lot of chemicals and kind of preservatives to the food. So when I highlight a kitchen helper, just know that I have looked into it pretty thoroughly and I feel pretty good about what is in that product, and I feel okay about using that and feeding that to my family because I'm very particular about what I will feed to my family. So let's go ahead and get started with a kitchen helper video.